Hello guys, welcome back to another lecture. In this lecture we are going to study about relative atomic mass and atomic mass unit. Topic number 1.2.3. It's the chapter 1 topic of ninth grade. Um, so let's start from the introduction of relative atomic mass and atomic mass unit. The first quantitative information about the atomic masses came from the work of Dalton, Gay-Lussac, Lavoisier, Avogadro, and Berzelius by observing the proportion in which elements combine to form various compounds. 19th century chemists calculated relative atomic masses. An atom is an extremely small particle. Therefore, we cannot determine the mass of single atom. However, it is possible to determine the mass of one atom of an element relative to another experimentally. This can be done by assigning a value to the mass of one atom of a given element so that it can be used as standard by international agreement. In 1961, light isotopes of carbon C12 has been chosen as a standard. This isotope of carbon C12 has been assigned a mass of exactly 12 atomic mass unit. This value has been determined accurately using mass spectrometer. The mass of atoms of all other elements are compared to the mass C12. Thus, in the highlighted line, the mass of an atom of an element relative to the mass of an atom of C12 is called its relative atomic mass. One atomic mass unit AMU is defined as a mass exactly equal to 1/12 the mass of one C12 atom. Mass of one C12 atom is equal to 12 AMU. This is the calculation of AMU. In the bottom you can see the table 1.1. It's about the relative atomic masses of some elements. On the left corner its elements, on the top center its relative atomic mass, and in the middle its element, and it's on the right side its relative atomic mass. There are different type of relative atomic masses and their AMUs written on this table. Now we are going to study another topic. It's about empirical formula, molecular formula. So here's another topic, empirical formula and molecular formula. Topic number 1.2.4. Let's start the topic. Recall that the chemical formula of a compound tell us which element are present in it, and the whole number ratio of their atoms. In a chemical formula, elements, symbols, and numerical subscripts show the type and the number of each atoms in a compound. There are several types of chemical formulas for a compound. Here you will learn about two types of chemical formulas: empirical formula and molecular formula. Let's just discuss the headline of empirical formula and molecular formula with one example. The empirical formula of a compound is the chemical formula that gives the simplest whole number ratio of atoms of each element. For example, in a compound hydrogen peroxide, there is one H atom for every O atoms, and the molecular formula states that a molecular formula gives the actual whole number ratio of atoms of each element present in a compound. For example, there are actually two H atoms and two O atoms in each molecule of hydrogen peroxide. Therefore, actual ratio of hydrogen to oxygen atom is 2/2. So molecular formula of hydrogen peroxide is H2O2. Thank you.